Rain poured steadily over the small town as Amina walked alone down the empty street. Her tears blended with the raindrops, so no one could see how deeply she was hurting. She had lost something precious that day, a friendship she thought would last forever. The words exchanged had been sharp, and the silence afterwards felt heavier than the storm above her. Amina paused near a small bench under a street lamp. The rain drummed softly around her, and for the first time, she allowed herself to cry openly. Why does life hurt so much? She wondered. Why do people we love sometimes walk away? As she sat there shivering, an old woman approached slowly with an umbrella. She didn't ask questions or offer false comfort. She simply sat beside Amina and shared the little shade she had. After a long silence, she finally spoke. My child, the woman said softly, rain does not fall to break you. It falls to clean the dust from your path. Pain works the same way. Amina looked up confused. The woman smiled gently. When you cry, it doesn't mean you are weak. It means you are growing. The heart breaks so it can open. The rain comes so new things can bloom. Those words sank deep into Amina's soul. The storm around her suddenly felt lighter, almost comforting. She realized that sadness was not the end. It was a beginning. Slowly, she wiped her tears and stood up, feeling stronger than before. The rain still fell, but now it felt like a blessing. She walked forward with quiet courage, knowing she would heal and become wiser. Moral: pain is not a punishment, it's a path to growth. Just like rain helps flowers bloom, difficult moments help us become stronger and kinder.